Look at that. I'm on cruise control, baby. Cruise control. Cruise control. Okay, today we're going to install the Radiolink system into my toy hauler. So on my toy hauler, I had the receiver stuck in the front of it and the ESC right on top of the servo, and it actually kind of acted like a motor, so it was kind of cool. So I'm going to replace the receiver. Now, one thing that's important with the two antenna system, you do have to have the antenna in 90-degree location, and basically it's not the wire that goes up, it's where the shielding is actually off, which is the protective gray. Where the antenna is actually getting the signal is right at the edge. So both of them have to be at 90 degrees from each other, which means you cannot have both antennas like this in the truck, or it might cause issues. So you do have to turn one over to the side, and not too aggressive here, but you do have to turn it and spread them apart a little bit and put that inside the truck anywhere. Keep this away from metal or carbon fiber as much as you can. There we go. The receiver is actually installed, and what I've done is I've actually taped it up, and it worked pretty good on this truck. Taped it up against the dash here, and the other one is actually 90 degree going into the dash over here. So this should work out pretty good. Now we have the channels here, and you also have the signal, positive, and the ground. And how you can tell here is the yellow one is always the signal, black is the ground. So when I look at this one, it does have a yellow one, so the yellow is the signal. Channel 1 is always your servo, and then you have your throttle. Okay, to bind the receiver to the transmitter, you turn on the power, you connect everything, turn on the power, it flashes low, and then you hit the little button on the side. And once it starts flashing, you go to your transmitter, turn it on, and then everything is bound together. So the only button you have to press is that one. There's nothing to do on this. Just turning it on and pushing the button will bind it. So to get the status of your battery, they do supply you the adapter that goes between your ESC and your battery. And this is where you connect it onto the receiver. But since I don't have this type of connector, I have Dean's, I'm going to solder my own connector. There we go. The wire for the battery lead to actually find out how much battery you have is actually connected. Now, first thing you have to do before you get in there is actually get into your menu, go into alarms, and actually set the voltage cutoff where you want this to actually beep at you and telling you that your battery is low. Usually it's 3.2 volt per battery. If you want to be safer, you can actually go a little higher than that. So you could put it at 7 volts. And then it's going to give you a warning when it's going to be low and time for you to actually change your batteries. There we go. I got the rear end on the trusty jacks, and now I can come here to the radio and hit the remote control, and I got cruise control. And on the fly I can come here, hit enter, and actually change it, make it go faster. Cruise control. There we go. I put it at minus 45% right now. Doing a video with the mask on, it's not good. So I did it with 45% right now. So radio link, and it's time to go have some fun with the cars. We're waiting for more people to get here, but we're gonna walk downtown and do a little parade. Hey, where's the Ferrari? Ferrari's not there. There's a Ferrari, late at the race.